Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're back at it for another day. I do apologize, the auto rotisserie is still not here. I seem to be able to take an entire car apart faster than I can get a tool delivered. It's starting to get very frustrating, but anyway, today we're going to continue on the front cradle. I want to get it apart. I want to get the front calipers taken apart today, the cradle taken apart, because I've got a first load of parts going over to get powder coated. So this here will get powder coated, the frame's going to get powder coated, the guards on the back of the brakes are going to do, the calipers getting powder coated, front sway bar, stuff like that. And then again, this rear cradle is going to get done. We'll take apart some of those brakes and get those done and those calipers. And we'll get some powder coating getting started while we're waiting on this rotisserie. All right, so we got everything taken apart here. This is almost, this is almost exclusively, this is all going to get powder coated. Now I think the upper and lower control arms, because it's got a ball joint that I can't take out, I think I'm going to get new ones of those. I'm definitely getting a new steering rack. We don't need that there. The new steering rack will go in. The back, these are the back plates for the front brakes. You can see they've got vents in there that actually do quite a bit of good for the brakes, keep everything cool. This here is aluminum. This is all the subframe here. I've got these crappy press-in bearings, but I got them out. So those knuckles are going to be powder coated as well. And then all of the bracketry, stuff like that, all the arms, sway bar, that's all going to get powder coated. And then I'm going to bring it with this here rear cradle. We're getting that powder coated. I don't know, I was going to bring in these, like the rear suspension, and have them powder coated and put in new bushings, like the new polyurethane bushings. But I don't know if we're going to use those or if we're going to go with new ones, because they're not super expensive. I think it would look nicer with new ones. I still got to take the back brakes apart, same thing. Take those wheel bearings out, take those rear guards out, because those are going to get powder coated. And then same thing, the rear sway arm. And then the brakes I have over here in the garbage. No, I'm just kidding. They are in the garbage just because they're pissing brake fluid all over the place. But I'm going to take those apart, and that'll probably be the next video. I'll take all the brakes apart, and we'll take those in, get those powder coated as well. So for those of you that are new to the channel that may just be seeing this for the first time, this is a MK4 Supra that we're doing a complete restoration on, a full build. You can see we've got the interior out. It's getting ready to go to primer. I'm just waiting on a auto rotisserie that is getting very aggravating. And then this body kit is going on it. And it's a serious, this is the Veilside 4509 GTR body kit. It's the only one in North America. And when that car is done, it's going to have a brand new 500 or 600 horsepower 2J I'm building right here. You can see that in previous videos. All the suspension's new. Everything we're putting in the car is new. We're going to do the interior paint. Still lots to vote on. You guys get to vote on it. And when it's done, we're giving it away. Someone's going to win the car. All you've got to do is subscribe to the channel for your chance to win. So follow us on Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. And we'll see you in the next video.